Okay, we're here at Goodall. I got Susie here. I'm so happy to see my sister. Oh, don't yell at me. Don't you yell at me.
He says,
I got Rufus, and we are gonna take a little walk with the dogs. It's a beautiful day. It's like 80, maybe 80 degrees, and it's just gorgeous. So we're gonna walk the dogs down the path, and I'm just kind of showing Suzie Goodall because it's such a pretty place to come to, and we'll report back.
I'm trying to get Ivy. Ivy coming? You can tell your work, girlfriend. Come on. Good job. Yeah, you're gonna be tired soon. You can. Up you go. Good girl. I want this later one. This make you feel better. Maybe you feel better, honey. Oh my goodness!
Bark at me.
Come on. He's always been afraid of sticks and things. Okay. Yeah. Weirdo. Right, Stu? Somebody.
Oh, okay.
What is alive? It's not flying away. Could have brought the thing.
Oh, the little dog.
Next time I'll bring the cart.
Yeah.
Because, like, I took it down the canal. I walked Stuart and Ivy down the canal and it did perfect.
Ah. Well, you know what? I could have brought the basket, the wagon. Too.
The wagon.
I got the wagon.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, the wagon.
Bring that next time if you want.
Like the wagon from the old house?
No, I got a newer one. I gave Nancy that one.
Thing shouldn't have survived.
No, not
All
that
the
one.
stuff we put in it.
No, not that one. I have like a one that I use for my camera equipment.
Okay. All right.
And
it's a nice wagon.
yeah.
Oh, I love that. Like them. What do you think we should see next, Rufus?
Let's see what we can do.
Well,
Cool.
yeah, look, so there's a whole bunch of those little gnomes to Gnome Village.
Gnome Village.
You know, you should make a little sign. Gnome Village below. Do not disturb. Or trolls, like the Troll movie.
Troll, right.
Yeah, I love that movie. Oh, it's a person.
Oh.
Put that stick in front of my face.
Pop, there's fish in these waters. There's fish, look. I got a fish there.
Frigate bait.
You're just a terrible fisherman, maybe? See you later.
He's like, no. Not really having it.
Okay, Susie and I did a walk, a nice little walk along the path at Goodall here. Very nice. What did you think of it, Susie?
It was beautiful.
Right?
It was absolutely lovely.
Really pretty. Susie's given Ivy some cold water.
You want some?
Ivy's taking advantage of the
Oh, she's giving us the eyeball.
the fresh water.
Hi, baby.
Stuart already had his refreshing little
Are
drink.
you good? You good? Rufus, do you want some?
He might, because everyone else had it. He caves to peer pressure sometimes.
No peer
He
pressure.
said, "Mom, I've had drinks all along the way. I stopped at the water bars along the way." Anyway, we had a really fun time. We're heading over to the Wateree River kayak area. I can't remember the name of that place. But anyway, we're gonna head over there, maybe do a little walking by the 25-mile creek, and then we're gonna head home.
Yay!
So we'll be reporting back. Susie and I stopped off at
Chili's.
Chili's.
Chili.
And we stopped off at the, I guess it's called Patriot Park or something like that. It's like where 25-mile creek is. You can see it down there. There's a nice little picnic area here.
Lunch.
We got lunch/dinner, and we got doggies. And it's just a nice little area, so we're gonna eat, and then I think we're gonna head back. What do you think, Stuart?
Stuart says yes.
Stuart says yes?
Have kisses? Nope.
He said no. He
No.
said not doing it. How about you?
Ivy.
Ivy?
How you doing?
All right, so we're gonna
It's in our
eat
own
and just enjoy the nice day.
Over to here.
Okay.
It's just flying. It's up behind there somewhere. Yeah. So it's got to be in there somewhere.
Oh, okay. Just look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, we're too close to someone's nest.
Okay, we're up at the eagle's nest. I'm showing Susie.
That's why it's going.
Yeah. We're up at the eagle's nest. I'm showing Susie the vantage point of the dam. So up above.
Sometimes we're not too smart.
Yeah, I'm not too bright. Right. So I told Susie that down there, like, there's a bunch of people down there that are fishing. So all kinds of birds down there. There's a lot of bird activity down there. But it looks like the sun's moved over considerably. Because normally I can get a really good view of the sun, but it is moved over. So, yeah. So you can see the sun's over here. So we are gonna head to Clearwater now. I wanted Susie to see this place because it's so cool. And so I will report back.
Here.
Stuart is telling me.
Hey, what's this? Look. Look. See? Mommy can hold it. See? But you can't. There you go. You good?
Yeah.
Come on, Anthem. We will. Get your big fish.
So we're at Clearwater now, and it's lovely. We got the dogs in the little cart here,
We don't want them to escape.
and as you can see, we have a sunset that's like kind of shaping up. The moon, I mean, the sun has really moved over. Normally, it's in that clearing there in the middle, but man, it's like really moved over. So we're gonna just kind of chill here a little bit and capture some images of the sun, get the sunset, and that's it.
Yourself up, handsome.
Now we're here at Clearwater, and it's just so pretty. We're just kind of waiting for the sun to set. It's as you can see, it's really pretty. People are fishing over here. The clouds are doing some really cool things. Okay, so we're winding down the sunset. It's just gorgeous. I just can't believe we caught such a nice one tonight. Really nice. Been a lot of activity at the dock, but it is beautiful.